I don't know what you are. I don't know what you want. But what I do know is I have a particular set of skills. An angle grinder. And a beer. And I will cut you out. And I will weld you up. And you will get an MOT. Don't know where that came from. Anyway, I am going to start grinding this rear panel and see what condition it's in. So I've opened up some more holes, more into the rear cross member. Some holes here. There's not a lot left of that bit there, and down there, and I've only ground up to here. There's a hole there. Right, so my plan is going to remove these cable clips, and then I'm going to clean all this area up, clean it all up nice and clean. Then we're going to start making a plate. If you look on the inside, from inside, I am going to make a plate to go in this section, to go across here for this floor piece. That will curl up and fasten on here, and then what we'll do is we'll make a piece to go right the way along to this area where it's a bit rotten. Make a piece that will go on the spot weld onto this side. I think I'll have a brew while I contemplate making this panel. Now, believe it or not, I actually enjoy this type of work. I think it's going alright. It's kind of frustrating because I want to do a decent job, but I also don't want to do too good a job because I am going to be cutting it all out again very, very soon. As soon as I get a carport. Yeah. So I'll just have a brew and contemplate the next piece of the puzzle. Now, I haven't got a sheet metal bending machine, so I'm going to have to use the vise, and I've also got my new hammers. Now, an issue you come across with hammering angles is you can actually curve the metal, so I'm going to have to be very careful not to curve the metal. Right, after much tapping and faffing, I have got what I believe to be the panel done. Yeah, it's not far off. Maybe a little bit longer on this side, but I'm not too bothered. I can just cut more out of the other panel. I'm going to offer it up to the car now and just see what it looks like. That's going to go in there. Happy with that. I'll just make a mark now and then that can be cut out. Next is this piece. Right, so I've made a couple of panels now. I've got 1, 2, 3 panels, and they're going to go in here like this. So I've got this one in here, that's going to replace that. Then we've got this piece, it's going to go in there. Once I've removed that, and then that piece on there like that. I'm going to drill it out and then we can spot weld it in. Right, after lots of chopping and shaping, I've now got the panels ready and I'm pretty much ready for welding. I'll show you what I've done. So I've had to chop a little bit more out and a bit of the cross member from the back. This is a piece that will go in the back there. I'm going to weld that first. Then I've got a piece here, channel, to go in there. And then another piece on top there, and then they've got 2 pieces to go in there. It's not amazing, but I will be doing it again soon, so it's not the end of the world. Right, that's me done for the day. I will show you what I've been doing. Finally packed up and swept up. piece is all in. That piece is all in. And that piece is all in. Nice and solid. That's next.